Hello students, in the present video session, we'll consider some examples for sequential multiplication as well as Booth algorithm. So first we'll perform multiplication operation using sequential algorithm by considering m is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1 and q is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. So we have to get the product as 9 into 15, that is equal to 135. So we know that in the case of sequential multiplication algorithm, if the multiplier bit is 1, so we have to perform a plus m, that means multiplicand is added to the partial product in the register A, and we have to perform shift operation, that means we have to shift it right by one position. Suppose the multiplier bit Q0, if it is 0, no addition is required and we have to perform shift operation. So each time we have to check the Q0 bit of the multiplier. So now I'll consider m, that is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1. So that means I can say that plus 9, and q is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1. So that means plus 15. So we have to get the final product as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So that means plus 135. And the sequential algorithm can be used only if both multiplier and multiplicands are positive numbers. So we know that we have to check the Q0 bit. Each time we have to check the Q0 bit. If the Q0 bit is 1, so we have to perform a plus m, and after adding, shift the entire partial product to the right hand side. Shift right. And suppose Q0 bit is equal to 0, no addition is required, just shift it right by one position. So now we'll consider the same problem. So first we can consider, I'll write m as it is, m, that is nothing but 1, 0, 0, 1, and I'll initialize carry as 0, and I'll consider one register, and that is also initialized to 0, all zeros, and I'll write q as it is. Q means 1, 1, 1, 1. So now check the Q0 bit during first cycle. Check the Q0 bit. If Q0 bit is equal to 1, so we have to perform a plus m. So here I'll write, if Q0 is equal to 1, perform a plus m and shift it right by one position. So perform a plus m in the sense, initially the value of a is 0, 0, 0, 0, and I have to add 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So now the value after addition, you can get it as that is 1 0 0 1, and carry I'll write as it is 0, and this is also 1 1 1 1. So now I have to shift it right, entire partial product. If you are shifting right, this one will be neglected, omitted out, and this one will come to the previous position, this one will come to the previous position, this one will come to the previous position, this one will come to the previous location. So followed by 0 0 1 0 and 0. So this completes the first cycle. So this completes the first cycle. So once again we have to check, Q naught bit. So that means the new value of Q, that is once again it is 1. So 1 means Q naught is 1. Perform A plus M and shift it right by 1 position. So A plus M means initially I will write A as it is 0 1 0 0. I will add M to A, that is 1 0 0 1. So I will get the partial product as sum as 1 0 1 1 and carry is 0, and this is 1 1 1 1. So after that we have to shift it right by 1 position. If you are shifting it right by 1 position, so this one will be omitted out. So I can start writing from previous bit 1 1 1 1, and this is 0 1 1 0, and carry is also 0. So this completes the second cycle. This completes the second cycle. So this is first cycle, this is second cycle, So once again check Q naught bit. Since Q naught is 1, we have to perform A plus M. So I will write A as it is, that is 0 1 1 0, plus A means M means 1 0 0 1. So 1 1 1 1, carry is 0, and this is nothing but 1 1 1 1. So now we have to shift it left by 1 position. So I will get, if you are shifting, this one will be omitted out. So I will start writing from the previous bit 1 1 1 1 1 0 and 0. So this completes the third cycle. This completes third cycle. So this is third cycle. This is carry is 0 itself. This completes third cycle. Once again check Q naught bit. After third cycle, check the Q naught bit. So we have to perform, since it is 1, perform A plus M. Here I will continue. Perform A plus M. So carry A and Q. I will take A as it is 0 1 1 1, carry is 0, and Q is 1 1 1 1. So check Q naught bit. Since it is 1, perform A plus M. The value of M means 1 0 0 1. Perform addition. 1 plus 1 is 0 0 0. Here it is 1, and the carry is 0, and this is nothing but, this is 0, carry is 1, carry is 1, carry is 1, and I'll write Q as it is 1, 1, 1, 1. So now perform shift it right. So neglect this value. So start writing from previous 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0. So I can say that M as well as Q carries the final M as well as Q carries the final product, that is final product P is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So that is nothing but 9 into 15, that is equal to 135. So always sequential multiplication methods can be used in order to perform multiplication operation only if both M as well as Q are positive numbers. So we'll solve the same problem using Booth algorithm. So in the case of Booth algorithm, I'll take same values of M as well as Q. So I'll take M, that is equal to, I'll take the sign now, 1, 0, 0, 1. So that means plus 9, and Q is equal to 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, that means plus 15. And we know that in the case of Booth algorithm, we have to check BI and BI plus 1. So if you are having the values of BI as 0, if you are having, I'll take BI multiplier bit that is bit I and bit I minus 1. So if it is 0, 0, so we have to perform, the version will be 0 into M. If it is 0, 1, that is plus 1 into M. 1, 0, I means the value of I is 1 and this is 0. So that is minus 1 into M. And if it is 1, 1, so that means 0 into M. And in this case we have to compute bit recoded multiplier. So bit recoded multiplier Q is equal to, so initially I'll write Q as it is, that is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, and I'll append one extra 0 to the LSB position. So now I'll check the transition from 0 to 1. The transition from 0 to 1 means 1 plus 1, I can say it as plus 1, 1 to 1 as 0, 1 to 1 as 0, 1 to 1 as 0, and 1 to 0 as minus 1. So the bit recoded multiplier, that is equal to plus 1, 0, 0, 0 and minus 1. So now we have to perform the normal multiplication operation by considering M as 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 into Q is nothing but Booth recoded multiplier plus 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1. So now the meaning of minus 1 into m, the meaning of minus 1 into m, that means we have to compute 2's complement of m. So minus 1 into m, that means 2's complement of m. So for that, first I'll take 1's complement of m. So I'll take m as it is, that is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1's complement of m is, so I'll complement all the bits and 1. So I'll add 1. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So now I'll write here. So minus 1 into m, in the sense we got the value as 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, and next 5 more ones have to consider, that as sign extension bits. So next is 0 into m. So that means I can directly consider it as 0. So I'll start writing from here. So that is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, all the values as 0. So once again we are having, this is 0 into this one m. Once again I can write zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. Once again here also we are having third bit as 0 into m. So I can consider the partial product as 0 itself, 0. And last one is 1 into m. So I can write m as it is. So that is 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0. So now we have to add this partial product. So we have to add the partial product. So for that, so that is 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0 and 0. So I can consider 10 bits. So I can neglect the additional bit. So I can say that, so this is the final product P, that is equal to plus 135. So this is how we can perform m into q by considering Booth algorithm as well as sequential multiplication algorithm. But in the case of sequential multiplication algorithm, we can consider only positive multiplier and positive multiplicand. But using Booth algorithm, we can have 4 different cases for m as well as q. So m as well as q both are positive, or else m as well as q, multiplier and multiplicand, both are negative, or else multiplier is positive, multiplicand is positive and multiplier is negative, and multiplicand is negative, multiplier is positive. So we can consider 4 different cases. That means in the case of Booth algorithm, irrespective of the sign of m as well as q, we can calculate or we can compute the partial product partial product using Booth algorithm.